What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat. Let's begin today's lesson by drawing in the eyes. We're going to move to the center of the page and draw two circles. Let's start with the one on the left from the very top. Go all the way around and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the inside of the eyes, we're going to curl up the brow. We come in and then up. Now from here, we're going to draw the inside edge of the hood. Let's move up in the center, start with a point. Now I want to curve this around the eye and then down towards the side. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Going across towards the eye and then down. Now I want to bend this down and then in towards the center. Along the top, we're going to add a curve to the edge of the mask. Now in between the eyes, let's add a point. We're going to draw the top edge of the mask. We're going to bend this out and then down. Curve this out and then up on the side. Let's trace the mask along the bottom. And then from that center point, draw a straight line coming down towards the chin. Let's go to these 2 points, bend this in and then down. And then on the outside, we're going to draw 2 ovals coming down in an angle. Now let's draw the outside of the head. We're starting back at the chin. I'm just going to taper this so it gets wider as it comes out and then up towards the side. Then bend this up and then in. Now I want to make our way towards the center point, so start back on the left, come up and in, let's round at the top, go out and then back down towards the right side. Let's trace the inside of the hood, starting from the outside point, going up and then in towards the middle, go out and then back down. Now I'm going to go up to the top, draw a straight line coming down about halfway. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right and do the same thing. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's move up and draw another curve. From the top corners of the body, angle is down and then in towards the top of the belt. Now this line on the left, we're going to step over, angle is down and out, and then on the top, just going to pull this in behind. Let's add a simple buckle. From the top, angle is down and out, come down and in towards the middle, and then in the center, we're just going to draw a small diamond shape. Let's trace these 2 lines along the outside. Now there's a flap that comes down the center. So on the left side, we're going to bend this down and out, come down and out towards the right. And it's going to pull this up and in towards the middle. Let's trace the sides and the bottom along the inside. Let's go to the hips. We're going to add another flap going down and out towards the side. And they'll bend this in and then up. Let's add a trim along the bottom. Now I'm going to tuck the legs in underneath, leaving a gap in the center, go to the left. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, and then the right heel. And we'll curve the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. I want to leave a gap on the inside. Then we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom. So we'll take this curve, step up, and trace that across towards the heel, and from heel to toe. Let's add a toe cap. From the outside, we're going to bend this in and then down. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the outside leg. From this point, step in, then it's out, and then down on top of the feet. And you want to draw the edge of the boot. From the outside, go up and in. And I want to bend this down and in towards the inside of the legs. Let's trace this along the bottom. Now going back up to the top, let's add in that shoulder armor. Starting from the side of the body, you want to bend this up and then out. Angle this up and out towards the top. Then angle this in underneath the head. Let's trace the bottom. Coming in and towards the side of the body. And we'll tuck the arms in underneath. Let's start from the side, then the arm going out and down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Now it's going to close off the end with a curve. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up, go to the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger bending this up and in underneath the armor. Let's separate the top of each finger with a curve. Now going back up to the thumb, we're going to separate the glove, going up and then out. Step up, draw that again. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.